Hello, in this video, we will see how we can create custom keyboard shortcuts in SQL Server Management Studio. We already have some of the predefined custom keyboard shortcuts. To check those, you can click on Tools and go to Options. Here, inside Environment, you will find one option Keyboard, and inside Keyboard, you will see one option Query Shortcuts. So these are the some of the shortcuts which are already available for us to use. If you see the first one, sp underscore help, this is used to find the information about your object that is present in the database. Let's say I want to know the details of the table which I am using. Let's say I have the table error log and I want to see what are the columns available in it. So what I can do, I can simply select this and press Alt F1 and it will give me the all the available details about this table. What are the columns available in that table? What is the type of that column? And if there are any primary key or foreign keys available in that table, that information will also be shown to you. So now let's see how we can create custom keyboard shortcuts also. What I want to do, I want to see the count of rows present in the table. Okay, so let's say I have this table. So I have this table person in person schema. So if I execute this query right, I can see there are 19,000 rows are there in this, right? So if I see count star and execute this, I can see I'm getting 19972. But what I want to do, I want to execute this as a keyboard shortcut. I want to press a keyboard shortcut and I want to see the number of rows available in that table. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this. So again, go to tools and click on options. And once you are in the query shortcuts section here, so let's use this particular keyboard shortcut, Control plus 0, to get the number of rows available in the table. So we just have to type the query, select count, and that's it. Once I say OK here, right, and let me open a new query window. And again, let's type the name of the table, person. And now I can just select this table like this and press Control 0. If I press Control 0, I am getting the row count that is available in this table. Now I can check a row count of any table with the keyboard shortcut. If I check for any other table, let's say person dot email address, I'll select this and press Control 0. I will get the row count that is available. So let's see what we have done to achieve this. We went to query shortcuts in options menu and we have entered the query select count star from. Okay, so this is how you can execute your queries using keyboard shortcuts in SSMS. And guys, we can also execute stored procedures also with help of keyboard shortcut. Let's see, I have this procedure here which checks if the person is available in database or not. If the person is available, we are selecting the person exists in the database, else we are printing person does not exist in database. Okay, so if I execute this sp manually, let's see. So let's copy this sp name and execute this. So John exists in database because if I see the table, so John is available in the database. And if I type something else, let me say XYZ and execute now, you will notice we are getting XYZ does not exist in database. Okay. So what I want to do, right? I want to create a keyboard shortcut so that I will just type the name of the person and I want to see if that person exists or not. We need to execute this particular procedure with the keyboard shortcut. So let me copy this and let me go to options again. And this time let's use Control plus 9 and I will just provide the SP name here. My SP name is person dot check if person exists. That's it. I will just say OK here and let me open a new query window again. Now I will type Peter and I will just select this and press Control 9. When I press control line, I can see Peter exists in database. I'm getting the result. And if I say something else, Peter 123, and now if I press control 9, I am getting Peter 123 does not exist in database. So guys, instead of writing the complete queries like this, you can use keyboard shortcuts for the very frequently used query that you want to execute multiple times.